So, hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and today I'm going to do a experimental reading from the Oracle cards, Angel Oracles, for the rest of the month of March 2026, from 25th of March till the 31st of March. Like 7 days, 7 messages with the overall energy and the guidance, but from the Angel Oracles because I'm not able to find my Oshos and cards. I don't know where they are. Might be like they are. I don't know where they are. I'm not able to find them. So I'm doing this reading. So for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Aries, the overall energy for you people for these 7 days. Hush, little baby. Mockingbird. So the overall energy is Seven of Ariel. This is you have invested wisely, have patience, and wait for the harvest. Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. So you might be waiting for some kind of results to show up. You might be working on something. You might be working on some energies. So have patience. You have to have patience for the rest of the month of March 2026. This is a very long month. It's not getting it's not. I mean, I have seen a lot in month of March only. But anyways, have patience. Patience is the key for you guys for the rest of the month of March. I think it's for me also, for all of us. Okay, let's see the messages per day from 25th of March till the 31st of March. For the month for 25th, we have the Five of Ariel. Everything happens for a reason. So message for today is everything happens for a reason. Release regret and embrace opportunities for happiness. Search for the silver lining. Okay, you guys have to be in this energy of whatever is happening for a reason in your life. If you are living in some kind of regret and or guilt because of a past situation, the time has come for you to learn the lesson from that situation and start moving ahead. Search for the silver lining means search for the positivity instead of focusing on the negatives. Focus on the positives, the thing, the people, the situations that you can change from your side. Do that. People means you. 26, we have Page of Gabriel. Follow your passion. You are ready for any challenge, opportunities for excitement and adventure. A new opportunity or few opportunities are going to be there for you guys. This is one of those days where you have to follow your passion. You are ready for any kind of challenges. This sounds a very exciting idea, this experiment that I'm doing with you guys today, because I had an off day. I was feeling like I should do something. 26, 27, 28, we have the Emperor. Stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. So till this point of your days in March, I am getting that you guys are very excited about starting or restarting something in your life that is mostly in your work or job or career area. For others of you, it can be a spiritual thing also. But your plans will start working out, and the time has come for you to take the actions from your side in order to make your plans work out in your favor. Okay, 26, 27, 28. For 29th, we have the Six of Ariel. Material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Act of kindness, giving or receiving with a grateful heart. For this day, cultivate the attitude of gratitude, and the more you are going to be kind to yourself and others, the more universe is going to bless you with lot of happiness and magical and unexpected energies, blessings. Now, don't do anything just because you want blessings and something from the universe. Then it's a transaction. Then it's not a selfless thing. Then it's not something that you're doing with all of your heart and soul. Then it's a business transaction kind of a deal. Yeah. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30th. Okay, sorry, 25th. I fucked up. Yeah. 25th, we have the Five of Raphael. Everything happens for a reason. 26th, we have Follow Your Passion. You are ready for new challenges. 27th, Stability and Efficiency, taking charge of a situation. 28th, 28th, material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Act of kindness, giving or receiving with a grateful heart. Now 29th. Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. There are helpful energies around you, and whatever you are trying to achieve, wherever you are trying to go, Aries, have a proper plan, have a proper strategy. Otherwise, you are going to end up going nowhere. It's just going to be you trying to go places and don't know from where to start. Have a proper plan and strategy, and maybe a planet too. Just kidding. And there are helpful people around you, so you can take help from them also. You don't have to suffer alone. Okay, let them suffer with you too. Just kidding. Today I'm in a jolly mood, in a very happy mood. I don't know the reason, just like that. 30th of March, we have the Magician. You can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. For the Magician card, for this thing to happen in your life, you have to have the proper clarity and understanding of what the hell actually you want, what really you want, what is that one thing that you really want in your life. Let's say for me right now, my health is the most important thing. I'm working on my health day and night as much as I can, because I had this belief that if I'm going to grow spiritually, my health is going to be naturally okay. But I got the slap on my face from the universe that if you are not going to take care of your body, forget about the spiritual growth as well. So now I'm taking care of my body. It's like reverse. I don't know what kind of fool I am, that I thought that everything is going to be fine. My body is also going to be fine if I'm going to work on my spiritual growth and meditate like no tomorrow. But I got a slap on my face in last August, only August, July, August, worst time of my life. Now I'm taking care of my body and my health, and that's why maybe I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. 31st, we have the peace. Release the past. There's more enriching future coming. Let go and let God. These are the messages for you guys from your beloved Anjali. Oh, we have one more card for you guys as the guidance for the rest of the month of March 2026. We are going to keep them quick and short. Ace of Ariel, it's your lucky month, you can say. It's lucky day. New resources of money, time, or support, a change in job or a promotion. So these 6, 7 days, please focus on your career rather than anything else or anyone else, because you are going to get some kind of opportunity, the opportunity that you might be very passionate about. The moral of the story that I'm getting here is, first of all, you have to have proper clarity of what you really want to manifest. And then you have to let go of the past belief system or past regrets or guilt of not being able to do what you should be doing. You got the lesson. And then you have helpful people around you, have a plan, you have helpful people around you. Just keep going. There's a very good future coming ahead of you. Future never comes actually, but according to these messages, it will come for you guys. So, congrats. Yeah. Sarcastic bitch. Yeah, I am. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.